I'm now going to meet a friend of mine, Gul Panag, who ran the half marathon with me in the first Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon. She's amazing. And I'm going to talk to her about running. And hopefully she's going to make me feel good. Better than I'm feeling now. I need a lot of morale boosting at this stage. And by the way, did you know that in endurance events, generally women have proven to be not only equal, but superior to men in their performances. And especially in the case of the marathon, women have some physiological advantages. I don't know what they are, but I'm sure Gul will have a lot to say about that. Gul always has a lot to say about everything.
It's true. It's true.
How much did we do just now?
50 meters.
Okay, so tell me, I've heard that women have more endurance than men. Do you think it's true?
Absolutely. Technically, a woman's body is designed for childbirth, which probably makes it far more enduring than a man's.
Yeah, I've heard it's tough.
But
You don't know anything about it
I
either.
don't know yet.
Yeah.
But I will tell you soon.
Really? How soon?
Like 3 years.
Okay.
But anyway, so I think that's one thing. But the misconception that everybody seems to have is that women can't run.
You ran the half marathon with me the first year of the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon. So why aren't you running the full? With me this year. I'm going to miss you, Gul.
I'm flattered, Milind. Well, actually, the thing is, I don't know, I've always felt that the half marathon gives me like a feeling of something I've accomplished. I don't want to end up feeling under-accomplished.
I can tell you, I've been training 8 or 9 hours a week, which I think is doable for anyone.
Which is doable, yeah. I just think that, a lot of people end up doing treadmill running, which I don't think is very conducive to actually running the full marathon or the half marathon, because it sort of lulls you into a false sense of,
Yeah, it does.
I can run.
So I always run on an incline.
I run on the road.
Yeah. Since you said you run on the road and you always run on the road, have you ever had a problem with your knees?
Right before the marathon, I was doing lunges.
Yeah.
And there must have been a problem with my form.
Yeah.
And suddenly I felt this really shooting pain in the middle of my knee.
Did you get it checked?
I did an MRI, did a couple of other things. And the first advice the doctors gave me was stop running. Forget about running from now on. June of last year, I started running again. And it took a while to get the stamina back because I hadn't run for 6 months.
Yeah.
So which meant I had to start for 20 minutes all over again.
So you made it back.
I'll know how back I am when I run the marathon.
You're back, girl. You have a big heart.
and I'm a woman, so I have endurance.
So now give me some tips.
Me should give you
Yeah, come on, because I need some moral support and I need some encouragement and fixing up.
Well, I don't think you need any fixing up, but
You cannot imagine, I am stressed out.
For running what?
42.
Well, I would be too.
Yeah, no, because I haven't done it, and I've done up to 30. But you never know the last 5, last 6. Yeah. Hello, when it's 10 o'clock in the morning and I'm like this, I'll be doing like 12 more. You don't think I'll be stressed out? I'm quite stressed out. I haven't told anybody this yet, but I'm quite stressed.
I think the only tip that I can think of, whenever you have any kind of knee trouble, if you do like a couple of 100 reps of just quadricep extensions, you'd be surprised at how quickly it works to relieve the knee.
Yeah?
Within 24 hours, you'll notice a difference.
Okay.
And takes the complete load off your knees. And ideally, you should be sitting with your heels down.
With my heels down.
Yeah.
Like I'm going to...
Yes, that's the best position. It's the best for your back.
What time are you looking at in the 21?
Under 2 hours.
Come on, Gul. Obviously under 2 hours.
Considering...
I mean, when we ran the first time, how much did we do? 150? No, we did over 2?
Oh, I think we ran it. We were just about 2.5, 2.6, I think.
Okay.
Well, this time, I think I should be able to manage
150.
150 should be doable. I'm going to laugh when I'm saying this about the 42. But for the kind of fitness you are, if you just stop training today, you can just get up and run the 42.
I better stop training today.
If I were you, I wouldn't run anymore starting today.